Are you out there and you're looking for a way to start making profitable income with CPA marketing just by promoting United States offers like I am doing right here to make this particular amount right now? You can actually just simply watch the video to the end to learn the strategy which I'm about to reveal to you, utilize that and make some cool cash online. But before we jump into the strategy, before we jump into details, you may actually want to go on to checking out my channel right now, because if you do go onto my channel, you will find out that I actually create a lot of cool videos on ways to make money online, either with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, the use of some amazing tools right there. So you just need to go on to checking out such kind of videos, because there are various kinds of strategies that could help you boost incomes online. So you may also need to subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so as to always get alerted whenever I do release some videos to help you increase your income online. So do that right now, and with that being said, let's jump right ahead into the video. So for you actually making money with CPA marketing, the first thing which you actually need to get done is to get access to a CPA marketing offer which you would like to promote. And you can actually gain access to offers utilizing platforms like Max Bounty, Offer Vault, CPA Brood, CPA Lead, CPA Grid, which you're actually seeing right now, or any other CPA marketing platform. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be sticking on with CPA Grip. So once you come onto CPA Grip, guys, you can actually create an account via clicking on this register icon. A page is going to be shown up to you, of which you can actually provide your basic details on all the fields with a red asterisk sign, and then get an account created. You can then go on to log into your account. So guys, once you do log into your account, you will want to come onto a page that looks similar to this, which is the offers page, where you can see offers to go on to promoting. Now for you to get onto this page, you need to come onto this section, click on this offer tools option. If you click on that, a drop down list will be shown to you. Select the my offers option and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. You can then filter your offers to go on to selecting the United States, and you will be able to see only United States offers only. Now you can see that there are lots of cool offers available on this section, and you could just simply select an offer. If you select the offer, you'll be able to see more details of the offer, and right now you can see that this offer is actually a giveaway offer for about $4,500 worth of cash to the lucky winners right now, and my leads may actually stand the chance of winning this giveaway prize. So all you need to do is to utilize this unique affiliate link to promote this offer to people actually residing in the United States that are using Apple iOS devices, just to go on to submitting their email address or zip code using this your unique affiliate link. And once they actually do that right now, you're going to get paid $1.02 for every single person that completes that offer. So you can actually go on to checking out other kinds of offers right there which you can go on to promoting, but these sweepstakes kind of offers are actually cool offers that grab people's attention, and they are offers that you can easily promote to make money right now. So you just need to copy the link for the offer and go on to the next step, which is creating a landing page. Now creating a landing page, guys, the purpose of that cannot be overemphasized, because that is actually quite important for you to make money with CPA marketing. So you can actually use websites like Google Sites, Systeme.io, Breezy.io, Webflow, GetResponse, and a lot more cool landing page builder sites out there. They are quite numerous. Just simply select one that is actually good for you, create a cool landing page, and utilize that to promote your offers. You may also want to come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. If you actually do type in landing page and click on enter, it's actually going to load up, and you're going to see some cool and amazing videos I created that teaches you how to create landing pages right now with some cool websites like Google Sites, Systeme.io. This one right here is with Webflow, this is with Breezy Cloud, and you just want to check out such cool and amazing videos, as those videos can help you make and increase your income as you create a very cool landing page for your CPA offers. Now once your landing page has been created, we're going to promote our offers right now with a very cool platform called the usnetads.com. As you can see from the name, this is actually going to go on to getting you US free ads, and you can actually promote ads to the United States for free, because this website is actually mainly focused on that. You can see right now that you can post your ads. You can actually do see no sign up required to post an ad on the platform, no email confirmation. Your ad goes online immediately. You can see right now you could add external web page link, URL so that viewers can follow the link to visit your other website. You can also search or browse classified ads by category, location, keywords, ID, and the owner name. You can also go on to checking out the manager section where you could update, modify, extend, or delete your ads by yourself. And this actually has unlimited access to your ads. You can get unlimited access to your ads via this section. So either you come right here and click on post or click here to post ads, or you click on this one right here to click here to post ads for free right now. Once you do click on that, guys, the page is going to load up and you'll be brought to this section where you just simply need to fill out this field, the empty field right here, to go on to posting ads for free. Now you may want to just simply focus on all the fields having this red asterisk signs, as those indicate the necessary field you must fill before you can post an ad on a platform such as this. So you want to just simply give this a title, of which you can actually get from CPA Grip. You can actually add a very cool description, and you just need to be actually quite creative with your description. Now that description and title should actually be eye-catchy and attention grabbing, to grab a lot of people's attention, make them stop scrolling and actually click on that particular link which you're actually going to be giving out to them. And you can add images right here via this section. As you can see, it says you may upload one image file for this ad, and the accepted formats are actually JPG, JPEG, GIF, PNG, and you can see the size limit for that. Now you could also go on to adding related links or URL. You may want to paste in the link to your CPA offer right in that section, or the link to your landing page that is already linked to your CPA offer. So once you paste in that right there, you can go on to selecting categories which our offer actually fits in. Select the city, but you can see right here the city and all these other features that are not having the red asterisk signs are not quite important. You can actually leave them as it is, then go on to filling out other fields, then submit your ad for free. So right now you can also check out or fill out other details. Once you are done, just simply submit this and you are actually going to be able to promote ads for free using this particular platform. Your ads can start getting to a lot of audience, and people can click that, complete offers with your unique affiliate link, and go on to making some cool cash. So that's how cool and easy this actually is. A beginner can even grab hold of this, utilize this strategy right now, and make some cool cash online. So I do hope this video was helpful, and like I said, if you're looking for other strategies to make money online, you just want to come onto my channel, OJ Marketing. There are a lot of cool videos right here to help you. You can scroll through. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all, so that you always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.